Shenseea and Lila Ike living it up in Dubai. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. Jamaican singers Lila Ike and Shenseea took to the deserts of Dubai to live some life when they went ATV biking on the Sand Dune adventure earlier this week. Although they didn't show pictures together, it appears the two entertainers went riding down the sandy terrain of the Saraj Desert Park with friends based on posts that they both made on their Instagram on Monday. Lila, who tagged her location in Sharjah, the third most populous city in the United Arab Emirates after Dubai, took time out of her schedule to enjoy the wild ATV ride along the unrestricted terrain of the desert and was met with camels and pictures of Sand Dune in the background.
Kill them out, we on the outside. Jet ski wave with a boat ride. Y'all must star. Work all day and night. So me have to live some life. Yeah, but me take a couple millions.
She posted, "Work all day and night, so we have to live some life, yeah." Indulging somewhat in the Muslim culture, Lila Ike was veiled in a traditional hijab head covering, but chose to keep things simple by just wearing a simple t-shirt and a biker shorts with sneakers. Maybe she wanted to prep for the heat, but she eventually admitted Jamaica's still hotter than them place here. She shared another post hanging out at the Dubai Fountain, the private beachside retreat at the Rixo Premium Dubai Hotel, while living even more life and teasing her new single, Never Leave. Shenseea, who was also in Dubai, was in the City of Gold for a performance at the All-African Festival in Burj Park, downtown Dubai over the weekend. She also showed off her desert experience and baby drifts in the sand. Donning up full Muslim gear and the hijab headdress and the hijab gown paired with sneakers, Shenseea, the apparent daredevil, just wished her bike was faster so she could show off more of her real riding skills. "Y'all see my baby drift? If only the bike would move faster," she said.
Y'all gonna tell me? Y'all gonna tell me? My titties! Y'all gonna tell?
She also shared some poolside pictures, which she captioned, "Living out my dream job." In another post, she reminisced about the journey it took to reach where she is in life today. When I saw this photo, I thought to myself, I really came a long way. All I see is strength and determination. I've been through ish, but it all made me who I am today. Both Sheensea and Lila Ike are working on their debut. Both Sheensea and Lila Ike are working on their debut albums. The two artists may also appear on Grammy award-winning singer Her's upcoming reggae project.